Hey everyone, if you own a Nissan Pathfinder or Rogue, especially from 2018 to 2020, and your power liftgate's acting up, listen up. There's a known issue affecting Pathfinders built before October 11, 2019, and Rogues built before late 2019, specifically the models with the kick motion activated liftgate. If your rear hatch won't open or close using the key fob, the button on the dash, or the liftgate switch, and you're seeing a B2409 code, this is for you. Now here's the important part. This isn't a recall. It's a Nissan Technical Service Bulletin, number NTB20050, also listed as NHTSA ID 101788235. That means it's a dealer-level fix, not a safety campaign. So, what's actually wrong? The root of the problem is the automatic backdoor control module, a small electronic unit that manages all the signals for your power liftgate. In these affected Nissan models, the module can fail due to a combination of factors. Over time, moisture can seep into the module's housing, or the internal circuitry can develop faults from repeated use, temperature changes, or even minor voltage spikes. These issues disrupt the communication between the liftgate's sensors, switches, and the car's main computer. Common symptoms owners notice include the liftgate working only sometimes, buttons on the dash or key fob not responding, the kick motion sensor failing to trigger, or even warning lights and error messages like the B2409 code popping up on the dashboard. Sometimes the liftgate might start to open and then stop halfway, or it won't respond at all. This problem tends to affect certain model years because Nissan updated the design of the control module and its wiring after late 2019. Earlier models used a version that was more vulnerable to moisture and electrical issues, especially in climates with lots of rain or snow, or if the car is frequently exposed to temperature swings. First, turn the power back door off in your settings. Open and close the hatch by hand. With it open, press and hold the close button on the liftgate until you hear a beep. Turn the power back on. If that doesn't solve it and the B2409 code is still showing, head to your dealer. Replacement is the only official fix. Alright, I hope this clears things up. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and drop your liftgate stories or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.